me record this. Okay. So hi, with me is Raj Shekhar. I usually call him Raj. So Raj, so first of all, congratulations for clearing PMP with good score, and I hope this PMP certificate will definitely help you in your career journey and to become a successful project manager. So can you briefly tell me about yourself and how was your preparation journey and how you did the preparation to pass this exam?
Thank you, Rafi. I will call. I will actually. I will call as Rafi. Thanks for your. I am very much lucky to find out you on LinkedIn.
Thanks, man. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Okay. That too, I am struggling in the days how to prepare and how to achieve, how to success the PMP exam. But I saw one of my friend given your mail LinkedIn. He find your mail ID and your message in the LinkedIn, and he passed me the message, and I started to I send one message to you, like I want your guidance and all.
Nice
First
to
of all,
know
I
that.
will thank to first of all I will thank to you as a mentor, as a guide. I will not say you
It is
helped
my
me, but you guided me like anything. I can tell you, if I
it's
tell
my
help
pleasure.
means if I say help means it will be a very small word for you.
Yeah. It's my pleasure, man.
Helping is the different.
Thanks
Helping
for
is
the
different.
thanks for
Guide.
the very much encouraging word. Thanks for your very much kind words.
No, it's really, I'm telling, helping is nothing. Help anybody can do, but putting in my right path and guiding me in a success way, it's really helped me a lot in a short time. I really thankful to you.
It is my pleasure.
Whatever you are guided, your instructions and the material, whatever you provided, and mock test, it helped me a lot to achieve this success.
Okay,
The
to start.
credit goes to. I will give all the credit goes to you.
No, thanks to you also for giving time dedicatedly and just following the instruction based on my suggestions, because following the instruction also is important. And I find you also like very much dedicated and very much like obedient to me, and like you cooperated me a lot of times. Okay, so thanks for it, because we are working professionals, so we need to understand each other. So it was a really wonderful journey with you actually, like preparing you for PMP exam. So I also really enjoyed it, because I find you very cool person, so very much cool-headed, and you know that we are working professionals, so we have to find time in between, and we have to just match the timings. So we have overcome all those problems, and we have gone through well actually. Okay, so that was very nice of you actually. So
Yeah,
let me start. Yeah.
thank you very much. First of all, because you taken your time and you taken your booster vaccination and all. In that time also you came and you given training and all. It's really helpful to me.
It is my pleasure.
Yeah, even sometimes I felt I was in a down stage. You encouraged me. You will pass. Your words really helped me a lot.
It
That
is my
make
pleasure.
me go through this success also. I uh, I will give full credit to you actually in
No.
making me
It's
success.
it is my pleasure, and it was your hard work and it was your dedication also finally. And
Thank you.
let us start. Let us start the technical questions. Like in this preparation journey, have you gone through any books, much like Rita and Timbok? Usually, like people like in internet, you have seen, right? People going through a lot of books. So have you gone through this kind of books? Just to ask you one question, because people are really looking for that kind of answer, like, because usually I want to just give an idea to people, like without reading these books also you can pass PMP. So I want to just justify that point by help of my training. So how I can justify? Can you say a word on that, or your suggestion on that as well?
Timbok and agile material I gone through before when I met you. Agile when I met you in the we had one call initially when you are traveling to for vacation. You suggested me to go through the Agile. Before that also, I gone through the Agile book completely one time. And later on, whatever you suggested, the material, I not gone through any RITA material or any other material. Whatever the
Good.
material you given, I gone through that one. Later on, whatever the mock test you told me to go through that one, Udemy and mock test, whatever you suggested me, I gone through that one. But in the mock test, even though I succeeded, I attended all the questions. Even though I got less score, but I gone through the explanation and I
Nice.
referred the PMBOK and I went to the whatever the explanation given. I want to detail explanation is gone through the 1 or 2 questions detailedly, went to the PMBOK and I saw what is exactly they are explaining. So each and every question I gone through the explanation how it was.
Good.
So it was really helpful in the exam to understand the question. So how to attend the questions and how to maintain the time and all. It's really helpful. But my suggestion, if you have time, you can go with Agile and PMBOK separately. But whatever the material given, it's really helpful to me.
Nice to know that. So coming to exams, like in exam, more questions were there from people, process, or how actually the exam was actually.
I scored in people domain more because I concentrated mostly on first 75 questions. I was a little bit slow in the exam actually.
Okay.
So I scored highly on people domain and process domain.
Okay.
I was a little bit time constraints was there. So in business environment, I got targeted on.
Okay. Good.
But a little bit hard in people domain. The questions are very little bit difficult. If you read completely and if you understand, you will feel easy. If you feel tense and if you think the question, if you not understand the question, you will feel tense and your time will wasted there and you cannot answer properly. I feel when I did mock tests and all with you, sitting with you and you helped me, that really helped in the examination, how to read the question and how to analyze the questions with how to elimination method is really helpful. So I read the question and your tips are very useful in the examination point of view.
Nice to hear that. And how far, how was the exam from Agile point of view? Did you got many Agile question or hybrid, or how it was actually?
Mostly I got hybrid questions. Agile is comparing to Agile and hybrid. I got Agile hybrid more. Agile is a little bit less, but it is a little bit tough questions. But I done with ease and cool minded. All your tips helped me there.
Nice to know that. Those Agile questions which I shared to you, was it beneficial? And mock 2, mock 1, what you did, that was helpful to you actually, what we have gone through in the trainings.
Yes, it's really helpful, the mock test. I'm telling you, each and every question I gone through the explanation, those explanations and the elimination tips, how to eliminate the answers, how to eliminate the question, reading the question, how to eliminate the points, answers, which is the correct one, the best of the 4 options, which one we have to choose. I used the elimination method and that is really helped me. The mock tests are really helped me and we have to practice actually more and more mock tests if you have time. But if you are, even though practicing, you have to understand what is the explanation given by them. And if you understand, if you remember how they are doing the logic and all, then you will definitely
Nice to know that.
you will not feel any tense in the examination.
So overall, how much time it took for you for answering 180 questions in the exam? Like if you count section 1, 2 and 3, like section 1, how much time you took, section 2, how much, and section 3, and which section was tough for you actually?
Tough is first two sections are tough for me: people domain and process domain. When I started first question seeing, I was a little bit nervous because that question, when I saw that question itself, I thought I lost, but I not lose that. In my mind, it is a tough paper.
It was scenario lengthy question. You mean the question was very lengthy, something like
lengthy, and also logical wise, it is a little bit tough. First question seeing me. Then I thought it is in my mind. I got it. It's gone. Then when I first question taken for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then I left it. I answered and I went to second question, and I felt that question I understand properly. Then I answered correctly. Then next question, correctly I answered 3 questions. I got confidence. Then I thought I can do it. I got the confidence. Then elimination method, the tips, the instructions, I relaxed, and whatever you told me, I followed the same instructions in exam hall. And 60 minutes, I have to complete in 60 minutes first session. But I taken 75 minutes and I taken a break. And I really not time has gone like anything.
It will go fast.
Fast. And even I taken break for 5 minutes only. I came back. I was a little bit tense. I will complete or not. But all 3 sessions completed. I left only with 2 minutes.
So coming to like knowledge area wise, so from risk or sorry, from risk or stakeholder or which knowledge area you got more questions?
He touched all the areas actually, but more questions on hybrid. Hybrid on risk I saw 5 questions, and stakeholder management is about 10 questions like that. Yes.
Okay, so more questions from stakeholder knowledge area.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Nice. Risk also there. Risk is a little bit tough, and also that logical questions also, some end values and all that. But there is no mathematical question. End
not
value
much you don't got any calculation questions in the exam, right?
Calculations not got any calculation questions. Only I got in a theoretical way they asked.
Okay, nice.
They asked me to arrange the one question got arrange, drag and drop.
Okay, how many match the following questions did you got actually in all the 3?
Only I got only one match the question. That's it. And one SPI question. That too, everything is theoretical.
Okay, good.
Everything is theoretical. There is nothing like calculations or anything, and no need of using any paper.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, I heard from a lot of my friends the same. And so that was good actually. The brief overview, what all you have given from exam point of view, and the technical background, what all you got the questions from in the exam actually. So coming to the last question of this success journey, what you have followed. So one final advice, what you would like to give for all the PMP aspirant who are actually preparing for PMP exam? What exactly, how much time they should give for preparation, and if they are working professional, how they can prepare this PMP exam, and like how much time they can dedicate themselves on daily basis to crack this PMP exam?
I will tell for PMP who is going to prepare and write in future, or who is going to join as a fresher who are going to prepare for PMP. I will suggest them at least they will at least daily they has to prepare 3 hours, maximum 3 hours. They has to continuously prepare. If they are taking any break in the between, 1 hour, maximum 4 hours if they are taking break, because it will give relaxation and all. Then they can fresh up. Whatever morning topics they prepared, evening again they can refresh and they can continue 1 more extra hour. So I am telling total 4 hours is required to prepare and all. And 2 months preparation is compulsory. It is better. If it is short span, they has to spend a little bit of time more.
Yeah, so if it is like if they are spending like you're saying, like if they are giving, let's say 4 to 6 hours, then 2 months is sufficient. But if they are giving like, let's say more than 4 hours, maybe they can crack in 40-45 days also. So that's what.
Yes, if they prepared well, with already prepared and ready for going for exam, and or they taken long back. I taken my preparation long back. I was struggling. I am
Correct.
searching how the new exam will. Luckily I got you in the LinkedIn.
Thanks.
I find out you. Luckily you got you. Luckily I searched you, and so in the short span, whatever 1.5 months you explained me hybrid, how to continue and all. In that time I spent
It's my pleasure.
4 hours. I spent 4 hours.
Good.
I took and I completed.
Okay, man. So it was very nice discussion with you. So I would like to thank you again for this session, and don't forget to renew your PDUs. That is also very important. So 60 PDUs you have to renew in a 3 year, right? So just
Yes.
keep that one in mind, and
Yeah.
continuously you have to be in subject so that like you actually love the subject, and like in future also, like you have, if you want to grow as project manager or program manager, it is definitely helpful, this PMP certification. So I would like to wish best of luck to you, and all the best again, and let's hope we can meet someday. So
Yeah,
definitely
sure.
we'll meet someday actually, and that's it, man, from my side. Thanks very much.
Yeah. Thanks, Rafi. First of all, really helpful. Really, you made my journey successful. Actually,
It
PMP.
is my
I'm
pleasure, man.
thinking. One stage, I'm thinking I will drop my PMP and I will not touch again. But
It is my pleasure.
you came into my journey and you made my success very well.
No
Okay.
problem. No problem. Yeah,
All
enjoy
this.
with your family. No problem.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you very much
It is
and
my
guiding
pleasure.
me in a success way.
Thanks for your encouraging work. Thank you very much again, and let's hope we can meet
I
someday.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
definitely will meet, and I will wish you will get more candidates and you will make more success and
Sure,
more
inshallah, man.
successful journey in PMP,
Sure,
achieving the
man.
candidates in the success.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
I
Thanks
wish
for
you
your
all the
encourage.
best.
Thanks for your encouraging words. Yeah, yeah. Sure, man.
Yeah,
Inshallah. Okay then. Okay then. Bye, man.
we will meet. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, man. Bye. No problem. Bye.
Bye.
Good
Bye.
night. Have enjoy.
Good night. Bye.
Bye. Good night.